Hi friends, once again, welcome back. This is Arun here. Today we are discussing about the train problems. Okay, train problems. When it comes to train problems, you know that it is relative speed. Concept of relative speed that we are using. If two bodies are moving in the same directions at x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour, when x greater than y, which means one speed is faster and other one is slower speed, then relative speed is given by x minus y, the difference between the speed. If the two bodies are moving in opposite directions with the speeds of x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour, then relative speed is nothing but the sum of the speeds, that we have to add the speeds, that is x plus y kilometer per hour. So this relative speed concept that we are using in train problems, to solve train problems, that we are using relative speeds to if train and one another object moving in same direction and opposite directions. Look at that rules for solving the train problems. First one is train versus stationary object of no length. Stationary object of no length means either a standing man or a pole. So which means non-length means obviously compared to the train, the horizontal distance is negligible, so we are considering it as train versus stationary object of non-length. So speed of the train equal to length of train by time taken to cross the stationary object. Speed equal to distance traveled by time. Here distance means length of the train. Second one is train versus stationary object of certain length. Certain length means stationary object of certain length means the railway platform or a bridge or another stationary train, something like that, which has some horizontal length compared to the length of train, that is train versus stationary object of certain length. Here the equation for train versus stationary object of no length, the speed of the train equal to length of train plus length of stationary object divided by time taken to cross that stationary object. So that is the second rule, the train versus stationary object of certain length. For example, if train crossing a railway platform in like 30 seconds or something like that, then what is the speed of the train? It is length of train plus length of that object, length of platform divided by time taken to cross that object. Third one is train versus moving object of no length. So when a train and a man move in the same direction, moving object of no length means a man is going the same direction of the train and in the opposite direction of the train. So two cases, a train and a man move in the same direction with the speed x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour. X is the speed of the train and y is the speed of man. Then x minus y equal to length of train divided by time taken to cross each other. And when the train and man move in the opposite directions with the speeds of x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour, then length equal to the speed of train equal to length of train by time taken to cross. Third one is, and fourth one is train versus moving object of certain length. When two trains are moving the same direction with the speed x and y kilometer per hour, so one is faster train and another one is a slower train, then x minus y is the relative speed, speed of faster minus speed of slower train, is equal to length of train 1 plus length of train 2 divided by time taken to cross each other. When two trains move in the opposite directions with speed x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour, relative speed is nothing but the sum, that is x plus y equal to length of train 1 plus length of train 2 divided by time taken to cross each other. So these are the four rules for solving the train problems. Then we can go to a problem, an example. Look at the question. Two trains of length 150 meter each take 6 seconds to cross each other when they are traveling in the opposite directions and takes 30 seconds to cross each other when they are traveling in the same direction. Find the ratio of the speed of faster train to that of the slower train. So we can consider the speed of faster train as x and speed of slower train as y. Then we have to, the question what we need to find out is the ratio, that is x is to y, that we have to find out, right? Speed of faster train as x and speed of slower train as y. right? Okay, so we have to find out x is to y, right? X is to y is what? So we know that where is the both the trains are moving in opposite directions, it takes 6 seconds, and both the train speeds, two trains of length 150 meter it is given. So the train length is 150 meter each, right? So when they are moving the opposite directions, we know that this is two trains, so we have to use the fourth rule, like train versus moving object of certain length. As they are moving the opposite directions, speed is nothing but the sum of the speed, that is x plus y, speed of train, faster plus slower, is equal to length of train 1 plus length of train 2, that is 150 plus 150 divided by time taken to cross, it is 6 seconds. So divided by 6, 150 plus 150 by 6, that is equal to 300 by 6, which is equal to 50, that is 50 meter per second is the is the speed of the relative speed is 50 meter per second as they are moving in the opposite directions. Same directions, when it comes to same direction, we know that relative speed is the difference between the speed, that is x minus y is equal to length of train 1 plus length of train 2, that is 150 plus 150 divided by time taken is 30 seconds. So 150 plus 150 divided by 30, that is 300 by 30, that will be equal to, yes, 10 meter per second, right? Okay, it's equal to 150 plus 150, 300 by 30, which is equal to 150 plus 150 by 30, 30 seconds, which is equal to 10 meter per second. So we got, when opposite direction x plus y equal to 50 and in same direction x minus y equal to 10. So here got two equations in terms of x and y, that is x plus y equal to 50 and x minus y equal to 10. So solve this two equations to get the values of x and y. Once we get the values of x and y, we know that we have to give the ratio, and we have to find the ratio of the faster train to that of the slower train. Faster train speed is x and slower train speed is y, as we have already taken initially. Just solve it to get the values of x and y. X plus y equal to, it's not 30, sorry, it's 50. Just rub that. X plus y equal to 30, right? Sorry, not 30, x plus y equal to 50, right? Yeah. X plus y equal to 50 and x minus y equal to 10. So to solve the values of, to get the values of x and y, we have to solve this equation. So we will be getting 2x equal to 60 or x equal to 30. Substitute the value of x in that equation, so we will be getting y equal to 20, right? So x is to y is equal to 30 is to 20, which is equal to 3 is to 2. So the right option is 3 is to 2, right? So the answer for this question is 3 is to 2. The speed of faster train to that of slower train, the ratio of the speed of faster train to slower train is equal to 3 is to 2. So hope that question is clear. This is how we have to solve this. So answer is 3 is to 2, right? Okay, so we can move to the next question. A train of certain length running at a speed of 126 km per hour takes 15 seconds to cross a platform twice its length. Find the length of the platform, right? Okay, certain length running at a speed of 126 km per hour takes 15 seconds to cross a platform twice its length. Find the length of the platform. Okay, so here length of the platform that we have to find out, not given. Speed is given as 126 km per hour. Look at this one thing, speed is given in km per hour and the time is given in seconds, and at the same time look at the options, the answers are given in meter. So obviously we have to convert this 126 kilometer per hour to meter per second to get the answer, right? Okay, so this is the cases where speed of the train equal to length of train plus length of platform, that is train versus stationary object of certain length. Train length is not given, so we can take it as L meter, and platform length I'm take it as if L, then it is 2L. So platform length is twice the length of train it is given. So if length of train is L, then platform length is 2L. So we know that speed of the 6 to convert to meter per second. So multiply the speed by 5 by 18 to get the speed in meter per second. So 126 into 5 by 18 equal to length of train is L plus length of platform, that is 2L, divided by time taken to cross is 15 seconds. So 15 seconds. So solve this, I will be getting the value of L. L is nothing but length of train. So L equal to 175 will be getting. So length of train is 175, but we have to find out the length of platform. So that is equal to 2L, which is equal to 175 into 2, 350 meters. So answer is 350 meters. Right? So option C, 350 meters is the right answer. Okay, we can move to the next question, third question. A train passes a station platform in 36 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. If the speed of the train is 54 per hour, what is the length of the platform? Here also we have to find out the length of the platform. Here two rules that we have to use, that is train versus stationary object of no length and train versus stationary object of certain length. So both we have to use, and again we can see that time is given in seconds and speed in kilometer per hour. So obviously we have to convert the speed in meter per seconds. Okay, and a train length is also not given. So we can do one thing, we can take the length of train as L, and first we have to find out the length of train, then only we can find out the length of platform, right? So we know that speed of train, that is 54 kilometer per hour, convert that to meter per second. So 54 into 5 by 18 is equal to length of train by cross that man. A man standing on the platform, it is crossing at 20 seconds. So L by 20. So from that we will be getting the value of just nothing but length of train. So L by 20. So L will be equal to 54 into 5 by 18 into 20. So we'll be getting the value of L as 300 meters. So length of train is 300 meters. Again we can use to the next rule, that is train versus stationary object of certain length, that is speed of train equal to length of train plus length of platform by time taken to cross. So again speed is same, 54 into 5 by 18 is length of train plus length of platform divided by time taken, it is 36 seconds divided by 36, and already we got the value of L here. Substitute the value of L as 300, so we'll be getting PL, platform length, from that by solving this equation, that is 54 into 5 by 18 equal to 300 plus platform length divided by 36, right? So we'll be getting the value of PL, that is 54 into 5 by 18 into 36 minus 300 it will be. So we'll be getting platform length 240, right? Solve this to get the value, just 54 into 5 by 18 into 36 minus 300, that is equal to PL, it is 240 will be getting. Just solve it and get the value. So option is answer B. Yes, next question. A train 240 meter long passes a pole in 24 seconds. How long will it take to pass a platform 650 meter long? Okay. So length of train is given 240 meter, and we have to find out the time, how long it will take to cross a platform 650 meter long. Length of platform is 240 meter, and yes, time it takes, it is 24 seconds, right? Okay, as we know, speed of train but here speed of train that you have to find out. Speed of train, as it takes 24 seconds to cross a pole, we know that speed equal to length of train by time taken to cross the pole, that is length by time, that is 240 divided by 24. Yeah, first equation, first rule, that is train versus stationary object of no length, 240 by 24 will be getting 10 meter per seconds. So the speed of the train is 10 meters per second. Once we get the speed, then we can use train versus stationary object of certain length, train versus platform. That is speed of train, that is 10 equal to, yeah, speed equal to length of train plus length of platform by time taken to cross. The time taken that you have to find out, how long it will take to cross the platform. All other data are there. So speed we already got it as 10. 10 equal to length of train. It is 240 meters. So 240 plus length of platform, it is 650 meter. So 240 plus 650 divided by time is that we have to calculate. It's divided by time, right? Okay, so 240 plus 650, time equal to 240 plus 650 by 10, that is 890 by 10 is equal to 89. So options given as 65, 89. So answer is option B, it is 89 seconds. So answer for this question, it is 89 seconds, right? So I hope this is clear. It's just rules we have to follow, then it will be easy to get the answers. So 89 second is the right answer. Yes, thank you. We'll continue in next video the remaining problems.